You're doing it to me? Oh, hell no!
Oh my god! Nobody was watching Loryn!
Ew!
Okay, yeah, exactly.
Ew!
It's kind of like the lay on top of it. Do not do this at home, though. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to Beauty Break!
Hi! Hello.
We know that when you're not watching Clevver, which is very rare, because you're always watching Clevver, obviously, you might have heard of a little, very well-known aptitude called TikTok. It's the biggest thing that's ever happened to pop culture, I feel like, since maybe like Vine, you know?
That's a broad statement.
Oh my god, okay, I'm sorry, I take it back. You've heard of TikTok. You talk about it every single day.
I love TikTok.
So explain to me, it's like not Instagram. Instagram is pictures. So TikTok is all video of people dancing?
Well, what most people do is there are these like trending songs. Somebody makes up a dance, a choreographed 15-second thing, and then everybody does their own version of it, right? It's like, all right, we all am familiar with this challenge, but how are you gonna do it differently than this other person? And it just gives me hope for like the future of kids. Kids are so creative. I am obsessed. And then of course there's dogs.
So people have thrown on beauty hacks on TikTok, and it only makes sense that we try it here on this here table.
Yeah.
They're popular on TikTok, so that means people either tried it and liked it, or they really worked, or they were just weird.
Right.
Interesting.
I hope they're weird.
So, Sydney Scumberg, eyelash hack.
Have you guys even heard of this one?
No.
This has gone around forever, like that if you heat up an eyelash curler, that it will curl, it'll make you look like you have false eyelashes, but I've never actually tried it.
I've heard about that.
I've definitely done that, like put a blow dryer
This girl,
on it.
yeah.
I've heard about that.
I have an eyelash hack that's gonna make your lashes go from this to this. Step 1, apply mascara. Step 2, get an eyelash curler. Step 3, blow dry it for 10 seconds. Step 4, check the heat on your lips. If it's too hot to touch on your lips, it's gonna be too hot to put on your eyes. Once it's cooled down a little bit, all you have to do is curl it, and this is gonna melt the mascara into a perfect curl.
I always curl my lashes before I put the mascara on.
Yeah, so do I, but then I curl it after too.
Won't it like get all clumpy? I guess we'll find out.
Yeah, let's try it.
La la ha!
Should we do that too? Does that make it go better? La la ha!
I think you would be so famous on TikTok.
I gotta figure out what it is first. What if it took you like 5 years to get it off? What's wrong?
What's wrong?
Well, why did you do that? Why would you do that?
Step 2, heat the eyelash curler for 10 seconds with the blow dryer.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay.
I don't think it's enough.
We'll test it on your lips. No, it's good.
If it's too hot on your lip, it's too hot for your eyelashes.
Yo, next time I'm scared someone's gonna break into my house, I'm gonna be like,
just wait 10 seconds. All right.
you just doing one?
It's just melt. It's supposed to melt.
Does that look any different?
Let me see.
Oh my god, my
Yeah, I mean it
eyelashes are stuck to
does.
it.
That one? Did you do it on that one?
Yeah. That looks good.
But it's still clumpy.
Eyelashes are stuck. This is not safe. Oh no. Oh my god.
True.
Hold up. Okay.
I'm gonna peel them off.
Somebody record this. Wait, we have 3 cameras recording
Loryn, I
this.
swear to God, if you make a TikTok out of this.
I mean, if she's fine, I'll make a TikTok out of it.
Now this is room temperature again. I'm gonna do it on this side and you're gonna see it's like the exact same thing. There's no difference in like heating it up.
I don't think mine was hot
I think
enough.
it makes way more
Look.
sense to heat it up
Look,
and then
I did
do
on
it
this side.
bare lashes.
With not heating it up
Oh,
first.
that looks better.
This is like, duh. If you heat it up after you have mascara on already, you put it on, it's gonna stick to it.
Yeah. No matter what, if you're curling after, it's gonna be clumpy.
I'm sticking
Unless
to
you
it.
have-
Oh, that looks
Let me see.
the same. Good.
Yeah.
It looks good, but like
looks
skip a step.
this.
I think the real hack is just curl your lashes after you have mascara on.
Yeah, which is what I do every day anyways.
I disagree. I think it's the
But
opposite.
I
Curl them
wait,
before.
I always wait until my curler or my lashes are dry.
Can you see where it like
Yeah.
melted off
Yeah.
and now there's a line?
There's a
I
line.
see it in yours
Yeah,
too.
it's like,
Yeah,
why
there's a
do
line.
that? Curl them
This
before
looks
you put
nice.
mascara on.
That hack is whack!
Hack is whack. Okay, next up, we're gonna learn from TikTok how to remove chunky glitter from our eyes using tape.
So, if you want to know how to get this glitter off without hurting your eyes, watch this. You need some tape, and all you need to do is stick the tape over the chunky glitter and pull, and most of it is gone. Do that a few times and it'll be clean and gone without any pain from scrubbing your face. Thank me later.
You guys, I think these are all jokes. I don't think it's supposed to be like.
Why? It worked.
Because it's like so bad for your eyelid.
Tape isn't as aggressive as having to like scrub the delicate eye
agree.
area.
But just use oil.
This
I
girl's
think-
not joking.
I think these people in these videos are gonna watch it back and be like,
She's not
I
joking.
think we were serious.
Let's
This
try
girl's
it.
not joking.
This
Whoa.
is so pretty.
I did a lot.
This is cool.
I want this in every color.
Why do we have to take it off?
That is
My God, I didn't know we were putting that much.
I think I can't open my eye.
Lauren, it's not even on your lid.
I can't open this one. It's too heavy.
Oh my God, nobody was watching Lauren. Is there any left in the tube?
Don't make me laugh. I don't want to look stupid.
Now that we've dried Lauren's eyelid, that was this morning. We've come back. We took a short
Lunch
break,
break.
but we are back and ready to go. Lauren's eyelid is almost dry.
Almost.
So let's see if this works, all right?
Okay, did everybody put the tape on?
Not yet, not yet.
Oh wait, no, I didn't.
I think this is gonna work. I feel
think
like
so,
it's
too.
easy.
Okay.
Don't do it fast though.
Yeah, no, I'm not trying to rip anything. All right, ready?
Okay.
3,
1,
2, 1.
That looks disgusting.
Took some off.
It took some off.
Yeah.
It took some off. I still feel like it should have taken more off. But maybe like it really does have to be dry.
I think this is helpful for sure because it's like you can't just go in and wash your face if you have a bunch of glitter on. You have to like use makeup wipes first, and that just like spreads glitter around like insanely. This is like a nice half step.
Yeah.
If I had like festival amounts of glitter on, I would
guess.
do this. I would use this.
But the same reason you shouldn't let glitter go down the drain, this is using a lot of tape. Yeah, but
You guys, I
still.
think that almost took off all of it.
yeah.
I think I gotta hand it to her. I think that was pretty effective. Because if I had just washed my face, it would have been everywhere. It only took 3 little pieces. I feel like this is a hack.
Me too.
Yeah, I just wish we weren't being so wasteful.
All right, this next TikTok hack is for making your own self-tanner, a DIY self-tanner.
This is gonna be the test whether or not this is a joke or not. I think that like we're taking it seriously and I don't think they're supposed to be. Let's see.
I think it's serious.
Take a normal body lotion and a golden eyeshadow or pigment to make your very own DIY body bronzer. Squeeze some body lotion into the pot. Grab a golden pigment or eyeshadow and pour some of it in as well. Give it a good stir to combine the 2 ingredients and that's pretty much it. You can now apply this body bronzer and it will give your skin the most beautiful sun-kissed glow.
I am convinced that they are pulling our legs.
I don't think
That the
so.
whole thing is supposed to be funny.
I think that's serious. yeah.
But
how would
I know we want to have more faith in humanity that these would be mostly jokes. I'm telling you right now, I bet you anything most of these are real.
But like, think about it. You'd have to leave a layer of like lotion on for it to look like a different. If you rub it in,
No, I think it's like it's a bronzer, right? So if you use that as eyeshadow, you spread bronzer or the gold or whatever, you spread it like an eyeshadow, but if you mix it into lotion, you can apply it a lot farther than just your eyelid.
you think it will tint you though?
I don't think this is gonna work. This is
I think
weird.
it'll give you a shimmer, but it's the same as putting glitter lotion on.
Are you guys sure it's not like dry humor? They're like being like,
No.
do this.
Does she look like a comedian here? TikTok isn't just like a prank app, Drew.
But if all the things we've tried have seemed like they're supposed to be funny, like it can't be real.
More, all of it. She put in a ton.
I think it's gonna make you look shimmery.
What a waste of perfectly good
Eyeshadow.
glitter. This is blue lotion, which I'm not pointing any fingers at the person who bought blue lotion, but it's still blue.
I don't think the lotion is the problem. I think this is just not
I mean,
effective.
yeah, I
if
think
the
this is
hack
ridiculous.
fails, I don't think we can blame the blueness.
I just do think that no matter what, it's always gonna be blue.
Ooh, it does make you really shimmery though. Look at that.
What's going on?
Oh my God. Am I stand
Ew.
corrected?
Ew!
Okay, yeah, exactly. It's gonna like lay on top of you.
Oh my gosh, you look orange.
Why do I keep putting it on farther?
Whoa, how is this happening?
Yeah, that's actually.
Oh my God, it
well, I'd
kinda looks
Eat
good.
my foot on this one because it's doing something. I mean, if you can't afford Fenty Body Lava, this is like,
Does that look good?
wow.
This is crazy. I mean, the only bad thing is that it's essentially still glitter. Like, it's not like a shimmer. This is gonna rub off on anything, you know?
It looks pretty though.
Does this look natural?
Maybe like you should get an eyeshadow, a loose eyeshadow that doesn't have as much shimmer in it.
Yeah, I guess depending on your skin tone.
Yeah.
This is metallic. I think
I
that's
do
the
like
problem.
I like the
I
glitter
think
though.
if you want to be glittery
Yeah.
and you're like already dark, It works.
I mean,
It works.
It looks really good on, it looks the best on Drew.
Like it, I mean,
Yeah, it
but
looks
if
like-
it's supposed to be a tanner though, then it probably didn't do its job. If you
No,
just want glitter,
but
then it's
because
good.
it didn't do its job, it looks the best on you, you know,
Yeah.
because you don't look orange.
But in
I
regard
do,
to being
I
like
do
a
kind of look
tanner, I
golden,
don't
you know.
you look golden, but then you look at your hand and your hand looks metallic.
You look like a penny. Okay, our next TikTok hack is how to apparently clean your beauty blenders. I just run it under water with some soap and squeeze it out, but
This is if you have 100 beauty blenders.
I think I've seen people do that before. This should work. There's some musty makeup sponges, so we definitely should see some type of difference.
Whose sock is this? Something about this disturbs me.
Because it's so lumpy?
Yeah, it feels like growths.
She is late. No, it's weird.
Okay.
Submerge.
You wanna knead it? Knead.
Oh, I hate
I
this.
don't like
I
that.
hate
No,
it. I hate it.
no,
I hate it
thank you.
so much.
If this cleans, I would just put one in a sock. I feel like it's really hard to clean my makeup sponge to actually get all the foundation out, don't you?
It's also like it takes a while. I think the one that I finally, dish soap works the best, but then you have to wash it to make sure
I'm
you get
too
all the
afraid
dish
of
soap
it.
out.
my
No,
face.
no.
Yeah, like if you use like Dawn, it works the best. Oh wow.
I mean.
Wait,
No,
no.
it still has like a huge
That didn't
poop
work.
stain.
Wait, let me see.
I mean, it looks like it concentrated all of the foundation into one area.
Whoa, weird. That didn't work at all.
But I feel like, right? Like it just moved it all into one.
It looks cleaner though.
The rest of it does.
That didn't work at all.
It's whack! All right, so those were all TikTok hacks. We found some on Instagram that we really wanted to try. This one is how to curl your hair with a fork. So, and this girl has red hair.
What do they call it in Little Mermaid? A dingle hopper or
Dingle
something?
hopper.
Yeah.
I'm a little nervous. This is gonna fry. Why are you holding my hair? You're doing it to me? Oh, hell no!
Whose hair do you think you're gonna do it to?
Yours.
No,
Well,
mine's
we
up.
literally
Sorry.
can't do mine.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not joking.
I don't know,
Wait,
man.
what's the temperature on this? Oh, it doesn't have a
I
setting?
feel like everyone's complaining a lot. Like, it's really not that big of a deal.
Let's take your hair down.
You do it, Sinead. Would you want to do this
We're
to
gonna
your
do
hair?
this like so fast. It's really not a big deal.
I'm turning
honestly.
down the heat.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh my
But
gosh,
don't
Sinead,
fry
I'm
the
already
expensive
gonna
Oh
be-
my
stuff.
God, you guys are so annoying.
Sinead, you would be freaky.
This is ridiculous. It's just a fork and a straightener. What is the big deal?
I'm like on the verge of tears.
I
gonna
would.
be-
I
I
need
get
you to
it.
stop
I
yelling
promise
at me.
it's gonna be like
I
really.
need you to stop yelling
It's gonna
at
be
me
really fast
right now.
Okay. I'm not even gonna do that much.
Why not just get a curling iron? I don't get why this is like a hack.
Yeah, it's not a hack. Like if you can't find your curling iron,
Get a fork.
get a fork.
I don't like this. I don't like this. My hair is so delicate.
Okay, can you hold it
Oh,
there?
God.
Guess I'll just do everything myself.
Go for
She
it.
did. 1, 2, 3. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
This is a bad idea.
This is stupid. I don't like it. Let's move on.
The last hack of the day, this one you're gonna like, Sinead. You're gonna appreciate because it's for people who always get lipstick on their teeth.
Oh, you're welcome, Lauren.
No, I am the person who always sees lipstick and doesn't call it out.
This isn't why I get lipstick on my teeth though. It's not the application process, it's the way I laugh. I laugh, my lips curl inwards.
I hope that this makes it so you don't put it on the part of your lip that curls under. Let's see.
Yeah, but like that's the part I like to have lipstick.
I don't get what the hack is. But
Also,
the tools-
this is Blossom, which I know for a fact is not a joke, right? Blossom
no,
is like
this
the
is a
big one.
Okay. I always like to
You wanna
like
try?
really
Alright,
get
go
into
for
the
it.
crease when I'm
So
putting
do
on my
I.
lipstick. And
So
feel
do
like-
I. That's why I'm like, this isn't really gonna help.
You guys, no, I'm sorry. this doesn't, just put lipstick on like a normal person and don't get it on your teeth. Like, this is not gonna help you.
She can hear you.
Also, that doesn't, like, look how badly I just put my lipstick on. Like, I can't do it right.
But it's not in your teeth.
I haven't put any on the...
No, don't, you can't, now we can't test it because you just used it without the Q-tip.
I hate the Q-tip. I'm done. I checked out of this hack already.
I think you just, when you put on your lipstick, just be careful not to put it too close into your inner
I like
crease,
it there.
Because that's how you'll get lipstick on your teeth.
No,
This is just gonna
the
like,
lipstick on my tooth has been a chronic problem since like 5 years ago because when I laugh, my lips curl inwards. If my issue was getting lipstick on my lips because it was doing that, I would just put my finger or like put some sort of like Q-tip or a cotton swab or something. But that's not why I get lipstick on my teeth. I get lipstick on my teeth because when I laugh, my lips curl under. See? I did it.
it's just so extra to put a freaking Q-tip in your mouth while you're trying to.
Yeah. That video had 6 million views. Some people.
All right, you guys, those were our hacks from TikTok and Instagram. But let us know what other hacks we need to try. Preferably ones that are not jokes, because I'm still convinced.
What was your guys' favorite hack?
The tanner.
Yeah.
Because it was so sparkly.
Loki, I'm gonna put eyeshadow in my lotion from now on.
It's good. I think it was my favorite because it's defective, technically, for what its purpose is supposed to be.
Yeah, but like, we found a new hack. How to make yourself glow like a freaking Cullen.
Anyway, that was fun. You guys, be sure to subscribe. Again, comment below your favorite hacks, what else we should do, and come on back.
Bye. All right, guys, that was super fun, but for even more from Clevver, are you plugging your ear right now?
You yelled in my ear.
For even more from Clevver, click this video right over here.
And subscribe.
And subscribe,
Oh my God, I gotta go shower.